We're out shooting Leroy's new Rocket Bunny car. We got great drone shots, but then the drone decides, I don't want to connect to the phone anymore. Flies way over there, flies into a tree, and falls about 100 feet to the ground. So now we got to figure out how the hell we're crossing the river. And hopefully we still have drone footage.
Dude, there's probably beavers in that. You wet?
No,
oh,
yet.
Thank God. Dude, it's like 35 out too. That water's so cold. That was a success.
We got the body all buckled here. It was still on when I found it, so I don't know what that means. Hopefully it saved the footage. I really don't know. Propellers aren't broken. It just decided it didn't want to be connected to my phone anymore. It flew into a tree. Like, it kept flying and then yeet. Welcome back to Horsepower and Pizza. I'm Bailey. For all of you OGs that have been around for like the past 2 years, you might remember my boy Leroy. Leroy actually got, well, he still had the same FRS, but it's rocket bunnied now, and it looks sick. He hit me up a couple days ago. He's like, yo, let's shoot this car. We'll do a quick edit for Instagram, YouTube, whatever. So this was literally supposed to be like a 3-minute video. It's not anymore because went to shoot this video, doing pretty well, had the drone up in the air. Drone decides it's gonna disconnect from my phone, fly over into the woods at full speed, 100 feet in the air, smash a tree, and fall to its death. So I hope you enjoy this, because it's a nightmare. And rest in peace to the drone. I hope you guys enjoyed laughing at my misery. If you like Horsepower and Pizza and want to support us, head over to the website, pick up a shirt, stickers, something. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Build it for you.